Selamat sejahtera. My name is Hasfarinna nak berpamalim BR21160154. I'm from program HD35 and today I'm going to present about our presentation, which is the title of Growth, Development and Yield of the Usual Basil Osmobalism under different cultivation conditions. So this is the cover article. So for the introduction, the demand for medicine as well as for natural essential oil is increasing every year. In this regard, the expansion of the raw material base of essential oil plants. The cultivation of medicinal and essential oil plants contributes to the preservation of natural plant resources and the receipt of varied raw materials. The study of the growth, development, and productivity of different forms and varieties of simulbasilism in different growing conditions and the content of essential oil in the above ground mass of the plant. So this is the material and research method. So what you can see this method design, there is a three basic varieties, which is lemon miracle, Semus green, most controversy simple, foam-shaped flush and small purple leaves, as well as with a green color. The treatment was tested using experimental urban plot, which is small plot field experiments were led in order to study the biological characteristics of the basil. In our experiments, the sowing pattern was 60 multiplied 20 centimeter. The area of the account paper was 3 meter 2. Factors study were different varieties and form of visual basil varieties. So the research study at the Botanical Garden of the National University of Uzbekistan. In observation, the effect of growth stimulus on seed germination. The development phase of visual basil in different growing conditions at the wood gardens, room condition, and urban conditions. So for variable observed, there's two, which is morphological parameter, which is extractor and accelerate. And for growing condition, there is a sowing, seedlings, branching, budding, bloom, and maturation. And for the data analysis, the methodology of state variety testing of agricultural crop according to GOST and value methods. So this is the results and discussion. But you can see the table 1, there is the sample with the water and solution KM4. And the table 1 is usual basil seed germination. Seed germination of the study basil samples varied from 68 to 92%. At the same time, the germination of seeds of small leaf forms of basil was higher. Pre-sowing treatment of basil seed with a 0.5% potassium permanganate solution for 5 minutes increased their germination. So the germination energy of seeds of all study basil sampled in the variant treated with potassium permanganate solution was also higher than that untreated seeds. This table 2, there's a green basil with large leaf, purple basil with large leaf, small leaf basil of green color, small leaf purple basil, lemon miracle, and most controversy Semco. So there's a 50 mg, 100 mg, 150 mg, 50 mg for acrylic, 100 mg for acrylic, and 150 mg for acrylics. So the table 2 is usual basic seed germination. The major morphology parameter of plants had high value in the experimental plot of the Botanical Garden of the National University of Uzbekistan in comparison with urban plots. The greatest height was distinguished by basil plants of local production with large, and the greatest height was distinguished by basil plants of local production with large leaf, which is 112 centimeter. Basil variety lemon miracle, there's a 68 to 70 centimeter, most distinguished by the smallest plant height. The difference between basil specimens also appear in the width of the bunch. So this indicator reflects the nature of branches, which is to a certain extent affects the formation of the vegetative mass of basil plants. The greatest width of the bunch was found in basil with small leaf. The smaller width of the bunch was found in the varieties most controversial Semco and Lemon Miracle. In urban conditions, due to the gas pollution of the air, especially in those that grow along highways, the rates of growth and development of plants change. There's a dedication in the growing season, flowering and seed maturation that at the table 3. So this is table 3, duration of development phase of usual basil in different growing conditions. This is the date from germination. So the best cultivation there's at the wood gardens, room condition and urban condition. And there is to development the sowing, seedling, branching, budding, bloom and maturation. Plants in inoculation grow quite intensively. However, in the second half of the growing season, the rate of development decreases due to insufficient illumination. So the use of the study culture is one of the main indicators of the efficiency of the cultivation technology. Environment factors affect the intensity of physiology and biochemical process of plants, which determine the size and quality of the crop, varying over a wide range. During the years of research, the greatest leaf productivity was found by basil with large leaf, which is 158 to 176 grams, which significantly exceed all other studies, varieties, and samples of basil. Basil of the miracle variety 70 to 79 grams had the lowest leaf mass productivity. Then there is a decrease in the content of essential oil. A high amount of essential oil is contained in the florets, which is 0.43 to 128% in the leaf, so 0.2 to 0.9%, and in the stems, a minimum of essential oil 0.05 to 0.1%. It's also revealed a difference in the content of essential oil in the studies, varieties, and form of usual basil. The form and varieties of purple basil plants are distinguished by a relative high content of essential oil. Basil growing conditions also affect the content of essential oil. The largest amount of essential oil, which is 0.53 to 1.29%, was found in plants for botanical garden, and the smallest grown in room conditions, which is 0.30 to 0.61%. Basil grown in condition contains 0.30% to 0.86% of essential oils. The research of results show that usual basil managed to go through the full cycle of seasonal development, has good growth potential, high productive capacity, and can be recommended for the cultivation. So, in conclusion, the study discovered that bacillus germinate at a rate of more than 70%, with small varieties germinating at a greater rate. Germination energy was boosted when seeds were treated with potassium permanganate solution and growth stimulants. The plant's biological traits and growing circumstances influence its growth rate and leaf mass productivity. The most essential oil were discovered during mass blooming with a high concentration in flowers and leaves. The report recommends growing basil as an essential oil plant and for reserve settlements. So this is the acknowledgements, this is the reference, and thank you.